Hel- Hello, everyone, and welcome. So, today we will be making Fruit Ninja in Scratch. And so, let's start. So, here, so here we are on a new project. And now, first we will start by deleting sprite 1, and then we will create a new sprite. And here we will upload our fruit costumes that are in here, Fruit Ninja Art, and I've provided the links of the Fruit Ninja Art. So it's in the fruit and all of them, and we upload it. So Scratch will input it, and once it's done, we'll delete the empty sprite, and let's start coding. First, we will rename Fruit Ninja. And then next, we will add a when clicked. And at first, I want to make this small. So we will set its size around 30. And this variable you have to play around. Actually, it's not a variable, but you can play around with it 45 or anything like that. So let's start. First, we will put a hide. Okay, as we start creating clones, and so first we'll put the height to initial sprite, and then we will add our uh, show it again. Okay, so first we will create 4 variables, and we will delete the my variable, and so we have clone type only for this sprite. Okay, and then we have a clone fruit. Okay, and that's also okay, that's also for the sprite clone fruit. Okay, and then we have a clone xv, that is our clone x velocity, and we have another one that is clone yv, that is our clone y velocity, and that's for this sprite only. Okay, this clone xv also has to be this sprite only. So we will put this to for this sprite only. Yep. Now we will add a set clone type to spawner. Okay. At first we will have spawner, and after that we will put a forever loop to create clones. So here we will add a when I start as a clone, and then we'll take a create clone of myself and a wait. Yep. So once we're done that, we will let this be. And what we'll do here is we will set clone type to a fruit, as we are creating a clone of a fruit now. And then again, we'll set back the clone type to spawner. Okay. And then once we started the clone, we will show. And then if clone type is equals to fruit, so we will grab this equals to, and an if block from the control. Here it is, and fruit. So from the variables tab, we will get a clone type. Yep. Then we will add a set clone fruit to pick random, a pick random 1 to 4. So, and we will add another when I start as a clone here, and put it as switch to costume, join, clone type, and clone fruit. So what does this? What this does is here we have 3 fruits, right? Like 4 fruits, right? So here, say fruit 1, fruit 2, fruit 3, fruit 4. It chooses randoms and switches to that in every clone. So that's the thing behind that. And then we will add a go to X, and here we will add a pick random, and that will be minus 130 to 130, and then in the y it will be minus 180, and then we will point in direction 0, that is up. So we will point in direction 0, and then we will turn in the pick random of -15 to 15 degrees. Okay, I thought that was good. So -15 to 15 degrees. Now we will have to do a little of mathematics. Here we will put set clone xp and set clone yv. Okay, and here first of all we will take a minus operator. There will be 90 minus our direction. Okay, yep, minus 90 minus our direction, and then after that we will take a multiplication block that will be into 25, and in that multiplication block so we will add a cos, yep, cos of 90 minus direction into 25, and that will be for xv, and for yv we will have sine, and that will be 17. Okay, so that will be it, and then we will point in direction 90 again, and then we will again turn and pick random of -20 to 20, -20 to 20. Then we will add a forever loop. Yep. Now inside this forever loop we will add a change x by, that will be our clone xp that we created here, and then we will add another one that is clone xy. So you can switch it to change y. Yep. And click on yv. Now we will turn, okay, and that will be clone xp divided by 4. So divided by clone xp divided by 4. Yep. Then we will add a change clone yv by minus 0.65. Okay, and once we run this, you will see the fruits bouncing, and that too different fruits. So that's it, guys, for part 1, and hope you follow this series, and part 2 will be coming soon. Thank you. Bye bye.